So we move on to sum number 30. Sum number 30A. They given us a figure of a rectangle and a rectangle with the semicircles on both sides and then a semicircle over here. Right, this is the thing and this is the shaded area. So given the figure ABCD is a rectangle, so that's ABCD, a rectangle having the AB as 14 and BC as 7. So BC is 7. I'll write over here. Taking DC, BC as the diameter, 3 semicircles are drawn. Okay, find the area of the shaded region. Okay. So we need to find out the area of the shaded region. So let's first of all formulate the, let us find out the total data over here. So we have the length is equal to 14, the breadth, centimeters in half, breadth is equal to 7 centimeters. This is a bigger semicircle, uska radius is equal to, this is complete thing, diameter is 14, so radius will be 7, so 7 centimeters, because diameter is equal to 14 centimeters. And small r will be equal to, the diameter is 7, so it is 7 upon 2 centimeters, because diameter is equal to 7 centimeters. Now we need to formulate the formula for the shaded region. Area shaded. क्या क्या मिलेगा अपने को? सबसे पहले you have got area rectangle plus 2 into area semicircle. Okay, so the area of the rectangle plus the area of these two semicircles. अभी उसमें से ये subtract करना है. So minus area big semicircle. This is the formula what you are going to use. See, it's always easier to do it this way. जिसके कारण क्या होगा? You will get a complete idea at the same time. So area of the rectangle, so that is nothing but area of rectangle L into B plus 2 into 1 upon 2 pi small r square, so 2 gets cancelled, minus pi big R square. Okay, so this is the total formula. Let's put the values. You got length is equal to 14 into 7 plus this is pi r square, so this 22 upon 7 into 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2 because that is small r minus 22 upon 7 into this is 7 into 7, but this is minus 1 upon 2 into this one because it's a semicircle. 7 cancels with this and here 7 cancels, this figure 11, yeah. So this 98 plus 77 upon 2 minus 77. So that will give me as, subtract करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? This is going to be 21 plus this is going to be 38.5. So that will be giving you as 59.5 centimeters square. So the area shaded for sum number 30A will be equal to 59.5 centimeters square. Easy? Yes, we move on now to sum number 31A. Sum number 31A. They are given you a square and then there are 4 circles inside it. So, okay, we have got 4 circles. Yes, so this is the figure. The shaded area is this part. Okay. The dimension given to you is the square is of 14 centimeters. So this is 14. So automatically the radius will be 7 and 7. So side is equal to 14 centimeter. Therefore R is equal to 7 centimeter. Okay. And what else we have? That's it. We need to find out the area shaded. So let's formulate for the area shaded. Area shaded is equals to, first of all, we'll be having the area of 4 circles, but that will not give me this area. Okay, so it will be this way, that I'll have to take the area of 4 circles minus this one. Okay, let me do one by one. Okay, so square अगर ले लेते, पूरा का पूरा square ले लेते, तो square would have been doubled over here. So let's see this. It is area 4 circles, okay, plus area square minus area 4 quadrants. But this 4 quadrants will be minus twice. 2 into this one. Okay, why? Okay, let me show you this thing properly. Let's take only one circle for example. I took over here area of the circle. Yani area of the circle is this way. Okay. So this is the area of the circle. चलो ठीक है, पूरा का पूरा कर देते हैं. This is the area of the circle. So the complete red part is the area of 4 circles. This is the red part. Okay. Plus the area of the square. So area of the square जो है वो ये कर दिया. So this is the area of the square. That is the green part. Okay. So green part is area of the square. Up, if I remove the 4 quadrants, then what will happen? Only the green part will remain. Will get the red part will get removed from here, but the green part is still there. So I'll have to remove the quadrants twice so that even the green part goes off. See, we had taken this quadrant twice, one in the square and one in the circle. So if I don't want this area, if this part is not there in the shaded region, then automatically I will remove it from here also and from here also. This was the green part. So मुझे ये red और green दोनों में से ही निकलना पड़ेगा, इसीलिए मुझे इसको 2 बार सेपरेट करने का पड़ेगा. तो this is twice the area of the 4 quadrants. Is it clear? It is overlapping. I took a circle and then a square. So square इधर आया तो क्या वो दोनों overlap हुआ? अभी दोनों में से निकलना रहेगा तो मुझे ये भी निकलना पड़ेगा, यहाँ से भी निकलना पड़ेगा, तब जाके वो empty space मिलेगा. Got it? That's why you are going to remove. See, it is red and green, both are going to be connected. When I take this thing, this red and green both are there. So this is going to be calculated twice. I am calculating this quadrant area twice. So that's why I need to remove the quadrant area twice. That's why we are looking at this way. So accordingly, we will have the area of 4 circles. Now we already know that the radius is 7. So this is radius is 7. So it is 4 into pi r square plus this complete is 14 into 14 minus 4 into 2 into 1 upon 4 pi r square. So 4 gets cancelled and you get over here is equals to 4 into 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7 plus 196 minus this is 2 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7. Right? So this cancels, this cancels. This is 88 into 7. So this is 616 plus 196 minus 308. So this is 616 plus 196 is 21812 and 308. So it's 405. So it is 504 centimeter square. That's the area of the shaded region. That is for sum number 31. Sum number 31, area is 504 centimeter square. Did you understand this concept? The concept was to be understood very easily that the 4 circles के अंदर जो red part था, this square के अंदर भी जो green part था, अब square यहाँ पे दोनों चीज था तो दोनों को remove करना पड़ेगा. Only then you get the middle part as well as these parts. Because this green is there only over here, that's why. Okay, so there was sum number 31A. Now we move on to 32A. Sum number 32A. In the figure given below, the point A, B, C are arcs of radius 5, 3 and 2 respectively. Find the perimeter and the area of the shaded region. Okay. This is the circle. This is the diameter. Has got the center as A. Here there is one more semicircle having the center over here as C, and then there is one more semicircle over here having the center over here as B. You need to find out the area of this shaded region. Okay. We are given some data that the radii of the 3 circles are, so we have got over here, if I see the R1, R2, R3, so this is R1 from here to here is, so we can take that this one as R1, this one as R2 and this one as R3. So R1 is equal to 5 centimeters, R2 is equal to 3 centimeters and R3 is equal to 2 centimeters. That's the data given to us. The pi ka value is given to us as pi is equal to 3.14. We need to find out the shaded area. Now the shaded region, area shaded, we need to find out the area as well as the perimeter of the shaded region. So area shaded is first of all the bigger, that is semicircle area S1, because it is R1, so I'll take it as S1, plus minus area S2 plus area S3. So that will be equal to 1 upon 2 pi R1 square plus minus 1 upon 2 pi R2 square plus 1 upon 2 pi R3 square. So that will be 1 upon 2 pi R1 square minus R2 square plus R3 square. That will be equal to 1 upon 2 into 3.14 into 5 square minus 3 square plus 2 square. So this will be given as 3.14 upon 2 into 25 minus 9 plus 4. So that will be 25 minus 9 is 16, 16 plus 4 is 20. So it is 3.14 into 20 upon 2, though that's 10, so it is 31.4 centimeter square is the shaded area. Okay, so area shaded is this much. Perimeter is just the addition of all of them. So perimeter is equals to perimeter of S1 plus perimeter of S2 plus perimeter of S3. That is 1 upon 2 into 2 pi r. Put 2 pi r, 2 cancel is pi r. Pi r1 plus pi r2 plus pi r3. That is equals to 3.14 into r5 plus 3 plus 2. That is nothing but 3.14 into 10 is equals to 31.4 centimeter. So you can see the area and the perimeter both are coming up as 31.4 centimeter for sum number 32A. Right? We now move on to sum number 33A. Sum number 33A. Okay. In the figure given below, ABCD is a rectangle, and yeah, let's see that first. This is a rectangle, and there is a semicircle over here, and then there is a quadrant over here. Okay, something like this. So it is D, E, C, B, A, G and F. Okay, what we want is AB is 14, AB is 14, and the BC is 7. Okay, from the rectangular quadrant BCEF and semicircle, this are removed. So this part and this part is removed. Calculate the area of the remaining rectangle. Okay, you need to find out the area of this part. So first of all, this we know that this is 7, this will be 7, this much part will be 7. So if this is 14, this will be 7. So automatically we see that the radius over here will be 7 upon 2, so 3.5, and radius over here is 7. So we have, first of all, length is equals to 14 centimeters, breadth is equals to 7 centimeters, R1 is equal to 7 centimeters, and R2 is equals to 3.5 centimeters. Area remaining is equals to area rectangle minus area quadrant minus area semicircle. Okay, so that gives us the formula as L into B minus 1 upon 4 pi R1 square minus 1 upon 2 pi R2 square. Okay, so that is going to be 14 into 7 minus 1 upon 4 into 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7 minus 1 upon 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2. This cancels to 11 and 2, this cancels to 11, this cancels here. So that gives me as 98 minus 77 upon 2 minus 77 upon 4. Okay, taking the LCM, so LCM is 4, so we have 4 over here, 98 into 4, so that will be 392 minus, this will be double, so 154 minus 77. So that is 154 and 77, that will be adding up to 1, 12, 13, 231. So it is 392 minus 231 upon 4. So that will be as 1 and then 6 and 1, 6 1 upon 4, that is 4 and then 0.25 centimeter square. So the area of the balance region in the sum number 33A is going to be 41.25. 41? 41. Let me check. Some error somewhere. 14 into 7, 7 4 is 28, 98 बराबर है. This is 77 into 4, 77, 7 to 24, so 14, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 7, 15, 12, 13, 7, 392, one second, 98 into 4, 9 and 32, 9, 36, 38, 392, 231. So it's 161, 161. Okay, I could not find any mistake over here. I think the answer should be 40.25, whereas they have mentioned over here as 41.25. So I do not see anything, any mistake over there. I cannot find any mistake in my answer over here. It's all the calculations seems to be correct. So you can just check it up. If you find any answer, any mistake in the answer, you can let me know. Because as such, I'm not able to get any kind of a difference over here. So this is quite, yeah, I don't think anything is wrong over here. Just check up the data once again. Data is 14 centimeters, 7 centimeters. Yeah, it's the same thing. Okay, fine. We'll move ahead. The answer is 40.25, not 41.25. We now move on to sum number. There was 33, now it is 34A. Okay, sum number 34A. 34, 35. Let us check up. So sum number 34A. So you got the semicircle over here, and to the semicircle you got one semicircle like this, another semicircle like this, and one semicircle coming out like this. You need to find out the area of the shaded region. Yeah, so you need to find out if they are given that the four semicircles, the largest one being the two smallest one being equal. Okay, if the diameter of the largest is 14, so they are given the largest diameter over here. This complete from here to here is 14, so we can say R1. So it's R1 over here. This is R1 is equals to 7 centimeters. They are given us that. Smallest is 3.5. This distance over here, this distance over here is 3.5. So 3.5 and 3.5 goes from here. So 7 goes away. So this remaining is, this is 3.5. This is 3.5. So 7 is gone. So this distance is 7. So we can say R2, the second one over here, is 3.5 centimeters, and R3 is equal to 3.5 upon 2. Okay, this is R3. These are the three radius. One from here to here. Second one is this one. This is R2. That is 7 upon 2, 3.5. And third one is 3.5 upon 2. You can keep it as 7 upon 2. We need to find out calculate the length of the boundary and the area of the shaded region. So first of all, length of the boundary will be this plus this plus this plus this. Okay. So length of boundary is equals to perimeter of S1 plus perimeter of S2 plus 2 into perimeter of S3. So that will be perimeter S1 is pi R1 plus pi R2 plus 2 into pi R3. So that will give me a pi का value लोग ने दिया है 9. So that is pi R1 is 7 plus R2 is 3.5 plus 2 into R3 is again 3.5. So that will be 22 upon 7 into 14, that is equals to 44 centimeters. That's the length. Perimeter is equals to 44 centimeters. Now we talk about the area shaded. So area shaded is equals to area semicircle 1 plus area semicircle 2 minus 2 into area semicircle 3. That is equals to 1 upon 2 pi R1 square plus 1 upon 2 pi R2 square minus 2 into 1 upon 2 pi R3 square. 2 gets cancelled. Pi outside, you get over here 1 upon 2 into 7. Yeah, 7 into, or let's take it all together, 7 के multiples में ही है. So that is 1 upon 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7 plus 1 upon 2 into, I'll say plus 1 upon 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 की नहीं आ गया तो सीधा 22 upon 7 into 3.5 upon 2 into 3.5 upon 2. Okay, 7 cancels, this 11s are 2 11s are 7 cancels, 7 2s are 3.5 and then this remains, this goes 11. So that will be 77 plus 77 upon 4 minus, this will be 35 into 11, 55, 33, 85. So 38.5 upon 4. That will be 77 upon into 4, that will be 308. So 308 plus this subtracts to 77, 38.5, that will be 38.5 upon 4. So that will give you as 0.5, 8, 8, 16, 4 and 3 upon 4, that will be 8 za 26, so 6 za 24, 24 will be 6 again and 10 will be 25 centimeter square. So 86.625 will be the answer for 34A. 34A will be 44 first here and 86.625. Correct? That was sum number 34A. We now move on to sum number 35A. I'll take it in the next video.